You're using digital whiteboards all wrong, and I'm going to tell you why. Most people treat digital whiteboards like you would a dry erase board in a conferencing room. You use it during the meeting, you draw a few questionable arrows, and then forget it even exists the second the call ends. But Zoom Whiteboard does not actually need a meeting. You can go directly to whiteboard.zoom.us, open a board, and start without launching a Zoom call or invite another human being into your thought process. And honestly, sometimes that is the best part. I use this when my brain has about 47 tabs open and none of them are labeled. No meeting needed, no one else on the board, just me, a blank canvas, and whatever idea I'm trying to turn into something that makes sense. And I usually start with a mind map. I drop the main idea in the middle and then I start branching everything out around it. And as I add more nodes, Whiteboard automatically adjusts the layout and keeps everything organized. And that means I can focus on the idea instead of spending 15 minutes dragging boxes around by 3 pixels and pretending that is productivity. And then once the main structure is there, I start adding the random stuff that does not fit neatly onto the map. And that is where sticky notes comes in. I color code mine because apparently I need rules even when I'm brainstorming by myself. So for example, yellow is something I need to research. Pink is a decision I still need to make, and then green is something I've already completed because occasionally I like visual proof that I've actually accomplished something. And you can create whatever system works for you. The point is that everything lives together in one canvas instead of being scattered across notes or documents or browser tabs, and that one email you sent to yourself 6 months ago reminding you to do a whiteboard. The part that really changed how I use this is that everything automatically saves to the cloud. I can close the tab, I can walk away, come back the next day, and the entire board is still there, ready to rock and roll. There's no exporting, no manual save button, no file called final version 7, actually final this time, I really mean it. It's just a whiteboard, and it's always there. So no, Zoom Whiteboard is not just a meeting feature. It's a personal workspace for thinking, organizing, planning, and getting your ideas out of your head before you bring everyone else into your conversation in your brain. So the meeting is actually optional. The canvas is not. I'm Patrick Kelly, the tattooed nerd. Hope you enjoyed Zoom Whiteboard.